हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज मैं नया चैप्टर लेकर के आया हूँ जिस चैप्टर का नाम है ग्लिम्पस ऑफ इंडिया। इसका क्वेश्चन शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन है। पहला है क्वेश्चन, हाउ डिड द बेकर मेक हिज एंट्री। आंसर है द बेकर वुड मेक हिज एंट्री विथ ए स्पेशल म्यूजिकल jingle of his bamboo stop. He would arrive with a thud and a jung sound, which was his unique way of announcing his arrival to the household. Next question: describe the days of bakers. Answer: during the narrator's childhood, the baker wore a single-piece frock that reached down to their knees. This dress was known as a kabai. Third question है, how would the children run to meet and greet the bakers? Answer है, the child would rush to meet the baker not for the bread loaves but for the bread bangles or special sweet bread. They would push aside the maids and servants to greet him and get their favorite treats. Question number 4 है, how did baking used to be a profitable profession? Answer है, baking was profitable profession because the baker and his family never starved. They always had a happy and prosperous life, which was evident from their plump physique. Their family and servants looked happy and well fed. Question number 5 है, why was the baker's furnace essential in traditional Goan village? Answer है, the baker's furnace was essential because it was used to bake bread, which was an important part of Goan culture. The sweet bread called bowl was a must for marriage gifts, and cakes and bouillons were prepared for festival and Christmas. Question number 6 है, how do we know that Goa's bakers are very prosperous? Answer: the bakers of Goa were prosperous because they had a happy and well-fed appearance. Their plump physique was a testament to their good living, and their families never went hungry. Question number 7 है, what would the baker do after reaching a house? Answer: the baker would greet the lady of the house with good morning, and then place his basket on the vertical bamboo. Question number 8, how did the peddler treat the kite who surrounded him? Answer है, the peddler would scold the kites with a mild rebuke and then push them aside to deliver the loaves to the maid servant of the house. ये थे हमारे 60 क्वेश्चन। और अब ये लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है, 3 लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है। पहला लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है, राइट ए कैरेक्टर स्केच ऑफ द ट्रेडिशनल गॉन बेकर। आंसर है, द ट्रेडिशनल गॉन बेकर आर पेडर was a respected figure in the community. He was a professional who carried on his family's traditional trade. He was a familiar sight, visiting house with his jingling bamboo stop and a special basket filled with bread. He was known for his friendly and pleasant nature, and his arrival was eagerly awaited by children and adults alike. Question number 2 है लॉन्ग में. How did the baker known as Pedder announce his arrival? आंसर है The baker or Pedder announced his arrival with a distinctive sound. He would carry a large, specially made bamboo stop. इसके आगे. As he walked, the stop would hit the ground and the jingling sound of the bells attached to it would signal his approach. This sound was a familiar and welcome signal to the household that he was on his way. Last question है third question. Why were the children fascinated by the baker? How did they show their eagerness to see him? Answer है The children were fascinated by the baker not just for the bread but for the excitement of seeing him. They were drawn to the jingling sound of his bamboo stop, which was a signal of his arrival. They would run to the window or balcony to greet him, often peeping into his basket to see what kind of bread he had brought. Their eagerness was shown by their enthusiastic rush to meet him as soon as they heard the familiar sound. तो इस प्रकार से हमारे चैप्टर का नाम है जो ग्लिम्पस ऑफ इंडिया का पार्ट ए है ए बेकर फ्रॉम गोवा. इसका क्वेश्चन है शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन और ये आपका लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है. और आप भी पढ़िए, अपने फ्रेंडों को भी शेयर करिए ताकि वो भी पढ़ें. तो इस तरह से हमारे क्वेश्चन आंसर फिनिश हुए और अगला वीडियो नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेकर के हम लोग आएंगे आप लोग के लिए. तो थैंक यू सो मच. और चैनल को एक बार सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिए और कमेंट करिए कि इसमें क्या मिस्टेक, अगर कोई वर्ड मिस्टेक हो रहा है प्रोनाउंसिएशन करने में तो आप प्रोनाउंसिएशन करके अपने तरीके से भेजिए ताकि हम भी देखें कि आप लोग कितना पढ़ते हैं. तो थैंक यू सो मच.